In this video, we're going to look at the fastest way to get your business to show up on the first page of Google Maps. If you've ever found yourself asking Siri or Google, "Where's the best local shop near me?" and you noticed your own business wasn't at the top, this video is definitely for you. The truth is, in 2026, if you aren't in those top 3 map spots, you're basically invisible to almost everyone looking for your services. But the good news is, it's not just about how much you spend on ads, it's about how much Google's AI actually trusts your information. A lot of business owners ask, why is my business not showing up on Google Maps? Usually, it's because of something called dirty data. This happens when your business name, address, or phone number is slightly different on Facebook than it is on your website, or maybe your hours are wrong on Apple Maps. Google's AI is constantly scanning the web to see if your info matches everywhere. If it sees even a tiny mismatch, it gets confused. When Google gets confused, it hides your listing because it doesn't want to send a customer to the wrong place. This is the main reason why local businesses lose customers to the competition. Their data is a mess and they don't even know it. This is exactly where Moz Local comes in to save you a ton of time and stress. Instead of you spending weeks trying to log into 50 different websites to fix your address or update your phone number, Moz Local does it all for you automatically. It acts like a central command center for your business. You put your correct info in once, and it pushes that data out to Google, Bing, Facebook, and even the navigation systems inside people's cars. In 2026, search engines reward accuracy. By using Moz, you're telling the search bots, hey, I am a real, verified, and reliable business, and that is what pushes you to the top of the search results. It's honestly the easiest way to get an edge over the shop down the street without needing a marketing degree. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you understand how the map ranking game works now. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more guides like this for small business owners. Also, feel free to share this video with a friend who's trying to grow their shop. If you want to see exactly what Google sees when it looks at your business, I've put a link in the description for a free online presence check. It only takes about 30 seconds and tells you exactly what's broken so you can fix it and start getting more calls. If you have any questions or comments about how to set this up, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and have a fun, successful year growing your business.